How to hide or unhide education on your profile on Rednote app. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open Rednote application on your mobile device. Once you open the Rednote app, you want to go ahead and log into your Rednote account. Now, once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. Now, once you're inside the profile section, simply tap on Edit Profile right over here. And once you are inside the Edit Profile section, simply tap on Education. Now, if you would like to hide education on your profile on the Rednote app, you want to make sure that Show Education button is toggled off. But if you would like to unhide education on your profile on Rednote app, you want to make sure this button is toggled on. Once done, tap on Confirm, and just like so, you will then be able to hide or unhide education on your profile on Rednote app. Well, that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.